Has it been difficult to find leads? Well, I've got a solution for you. With AutoLead Findr, you can find leads, you can send emails to those leads from the templates that have been created for you from AutoLead Findr. I won't go into too much detail, I'll just show you what exactly you came for. Welcome to Software Safari. My name is Toby and I'm taking you through AutoLead Findr and all that it offers you. Once you log in with your email and your password, you're presented with all the campaigns you already have. When you create your AutoLead Findr page for the first time, you are told to fill up specific forms and specific information as to how you want AutoLead Findrs to find leads for you. For us, we've selected HVAC as what we'd like to find. So when we create campaigns, the campaigns will be created in that line. So when we can create a new campaign, as you can see, the service we offer is already here. Our name is already here, and the type of campaign we want to create is already here. So you can say HVAC specialist. We can choose to find leads, or we can upload the leads that we already have, or we can change the services we offer. Let's pick a sewage disposal service, and we can create a campaign. We have to pick a location to find that campaign. Let's pick cleaners, and we can pick Seattle. And we're done, we simply create a campaign. And once it's done, we just have to wait for the leads to be created. It might take a while, as you can see here, and we can wait, or we can view other campaigns that we've already created. When we're viewing those campaigns, you can see the email addresses, the categories, and we can choose to send email to those companies. While our campaigns are loading, we can take a look at our targeted leads. And when we have created leads, we can target them here and perform specific actions on those leads. You can see our analytics and reports. You can see the total number of leads that we've reached out to, and we can see how our responses have happened. We can create email lists from here. You can choose to create a new email list. You can pick the name of the email list. And simply create. And we're simply creating, we can choose to edit, we can view that list, or we can delete the list. You can see email templates. And on the email template, we can choose to create our email template, or we can use the done for you email templates. With the done for you email template, we can choose to view the meeting request, follow up after no response, or a lot more. We can simply view that email, or we can simply just use it. When we want to use it, we can see that it has been added to our email template section. So we can view it, or we can edit it. You can see the template name, you can see the template subject. You can take a look at the template, and when we're satisfied, we can simply save it. And when it's time to use that template, we simply go ahead and use it in our email list. You can see done for you graphics. And the done for you graphics helps us when we're creating email lists and filling up emails. On the done for you graphics, you can have images, you can have videos for specific niches and different categories. You can see your done for you agency, which you can download and make changes to your website or to your WordPress blog. You can take a look at your team. You can take a look at the multiple integrations that you may have. You can add that to your Outlook, to your SMTP, to your autoresponders, to your CRMs, or to Zapier. You can find jobs through the Job Finder platform available on AutoLead Findr. You can take a look at your account and your settings. You can take a look at additional access provided to you by AutoLead Findr. You can take a look at bonuses, or you can take a look at client fulfillment. And also you can take a look at tutorials to give you better insights as to how to use AutoLead Findr. So let's take a look at the campaigns that we created at the beginning of this video. As you can see, the HVAC specialist has already been created. And you can see the multiple leads that are already here. And so this is 10 out of 306 entries. And you can view all of them. And when you're satisfied, you can simply add them to email lists. Choose the list you want to add them to and simply add to list. You can select as many as we want and choose to add or to delete the leads. And you can add them to lists. As you can see, AutoLead Findr makes finding leads and generating leads so much more easier. A link to AutoLead Findr is in the description of this video. And if you have any questions or need any clarifications concerning AutoLead Findr, you can let us know in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Software Safari and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.